Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 5th standard. Children, today we will learn about identify the instruments from a geometrical instrument box, acquire the skill to use geometrical instruments as per the requirement, explain the meaning of the circle, construct circles with the help of compasses for the given measurements from the circle chapter. Now we will learn about geometrical instruments. What is this? Yes, this is a scale. It is used to draw a line and line segment, and it is also used to measure the length of the line segment. Children, see this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a divider. It is used to measure the length of the line segment actually. Children, see this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a compass. It is used to construct the circle of given radius. See this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a protractor. It is used to measure the angle. Children, see these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are set squares. These are used to draw and measure the right angle, and it also used to draw parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Look at these objects. They are all circular in shape. A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at a same distance from the center. Take a bangle and place it on a sheet of paper. Starting from a point, move the pencil along its curved edge. We get a closed curve, and this closed round curve is called the circle. Now let us learn how to draw a circle. To draw a circle, we use compass. A compass has two arms, a metal arm and a pencil arm connected by a hinge. Step 1. Keep the metal point on the compass firmly on the fixed point. Step 2. Stretch the arm of the compass that holds the pencil. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around keeping the metal arm fixed. See here, children, we have drawn a circle. Radius. The distance between the center of a circle and any point on it. It is called its radius. A line segment that joins two points on a circle is called a chord. As you can see, a chord can have many different lengths. Can you guess which is the longest chord? It is the one which passes through the center. A chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. We can say that the diameter is two radii put together. Important terms of circle. Observe this figure. Point A is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. Line segment AB is a radius of the circle. Radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any points on the circle. Line segment PQ is a diameter of the circle. Diameter is the segment that joins any two points on the circle, and it always passes through the center of the circle. Line segment MN is a chord of the circle. Chord is the segment that joins any two points on the circle. Do you know? 1. The diameter is the longest chord. 2. Diameter equals to 2 twice the radius. 3. A circle has many radii and diameter. Now we should complete the following using suitable answer. Eighth one. The distance between the center of a circle and a point on the circle is called dash. What is it? Yes, it is radius. In the given figure, center of the circle is dash. Children, see this figure. Which is the center of the circle? Yes, it is O. See the second question. Radius of the circle is represented by the line segment dash. Children, see this figure. Which is the radius? Yes, OA is the radius. See the third question. Radius of the circle is dash. See here. R is the radius of the circle. Children, now we will write true or false. First question is, only one radius can be drawn to a circle. It is true or false? It is false. We can draw so many radii. Next question is, all radii of a circle are equal. It is true or false? It is true. All radii are equal. Next question is, there is only one center for a circle. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. There is only one center for circle. In the figure, OC is the measure of the radius. It is true or false? See this figure. Which is the radius? Yes, OC is the radius. Children, next question is, AB is the radius. It is true or false? See this figure. It is false. AB is not touching the center. Children, see these figures. In these figures, which are the circles? Its radius and its center. See here. This is the circle. This is its center. And these lines are the radii. In this figure, this is the circle. This is the center and these lines are the radii. Children, in this figure, these are the circles. This is the center. These lines are the radii. In the last figure, there are no circles. In figure A, how many circles are there? Do they have the same center? Children, in this figure there are 4 circles. This, this and this. Next question is, do they have the same center? No, they have different center. Next question is, in figure C, the length of the needle which is showing the hour is the radius of dash circle. Children, see this figure. This is the hour hand. This is radius for which circle? Yes, it is radius for the circle C1. Next question is, in figure C, the length of the needle which is showing the minute hand is the radius of dash circle. Children, see this figure. This is the minute hand. This is radius for which circle? Yes, it is radius for the circle C2. The next question is, in figure D, which curve's rope will represent the radius of the circle? Children, the radius will be a straight line or a curved line? Yes, it will be a straight line. Here, which curve's rope is a straight line? Yes, B curve's rope is a straight line. So, this will be the radius. Children, now we will measure the radius of a circle. First, we have this circle. To measure the radius, we should keep a scale on the radius such that the 0 centimeter line lies on the center of the circle. Then we should find the length at which the radius joins the circumference. Yes, it is 2.4 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 2.4 centimeter. Like that only we will measure the radius for this circle. What is the radius for this circle? Yes, it is 1.6 centimeter. Now we should find out the radius for this circle. See children, what is the radius? Yes, it is 2.9 centimeter. Now we should construct the circle with the given radius. First we have 2 centimeter. We will take the compass and place it on the scale and keep the metal tip on the 0 centimeter of the circle and keep the pencil tip on 2 centimeter line. Now we will take a sheet. Keep the metal tip on the center and draw a circle like this. Now we have a circle with 2 centimeter radius. Like that only we will draw another circle with 3.5 radius. Children, now we should tick right to the figure if the compass is kept correctly and put wrong if it is not kept correctly. First we have this figure. In this figure, the metal tip is not kept at 0 centimeter line. So we will put wrong. In the next figure, the metal tip is kept correctly and the pencil tip is kept at 4.5 centimeter. So we will put right for this. Now we will do third one. In this figure, the metal tip is not kept at 0 centimeter line. So we will put wrong. Now we will do fourth one. In this figure, the metal tip is not kept at 0 centimeter line. So we will put wrong. Do this homework children.